Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to create Turnitin without class ID. For standard student accounts, a class ID and enrollment key are required. If you don't have them, you'll need to use a paid service. Turnitin offers two paid services for individual users, Draft Coach and Write Check. Method 1. Using Turnitin Draft Coach. Draft Coach is typically included with institutional licenses, but it can sometimes be purchased directly by individual users who want feedback on grammar, tone, and originality. You can check online for the Turnitin Draft Coach product page to see if individual subscriptions are available in your region. If they are, you can purchase a subscription and register directly without needing a class ID. Method 2. Using Write Check. Write Check is designed for individual students to review their papers before submission. To use it, visit the official Write Check website and purchase a license. An account will be created during the checkout process. Step 3. Complete registration and purchase. Provide your email, desired password, and billing information to finalize the purchase. Once the payment is confirmed, your login credentials will be active, allowing you to access the platform without a class ID. Step 4. Submit your paper. Log in with your new account and upload your document to receive an originality report. Keep in mind that using these paid services removes the need for a school-provided class ID, but they do involve associated costs. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.